Are you ready to make your text stand out in Canva? Today, I'm going to show you how to underline text in Canva, a simple yet powerful way to emphasize keywords and make your designs more eye-catching. Start by opening your Canva account and navigating to the design you're working on. If you don't have a project yet, no worries, you can quickly create one using Canva's wide variety of templates. Once your design is open, select the text box containing the words you want to underline. Click on it, and you'll see a toolbar appear above your design. This is where all your text customization happens. Look for the underline icon, which looks like a letter U with a line underneath. Depending on your Canva version, it might be right on the toolbar or under More Options, often shown as 3 dots. Can't find it? Simply press U on your keyboard as a shortcut, and your text will be underlined instantly. Once applied, the underline appears beneath your selected words, drawing attention immediately. This is especially useful for resumes, brochures, presentations, or any project where certain text needs to pop. Just remember, less is more. Using underlines sparingly keeps your design clean and professional. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can enhance readability and make your designs more captivating. Don't be afraid to experiment with other text features and combine them for even more stunning results. If you found this tip helpful, drop a comment with your thoughts and make sure to like and subscribe for more quick Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy designing.